Hey everyone, welcome back to How To with Sunny. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to extract audio from a video online without downloading any software. So, if you have a video and you only want to save the music, voice, sound effects, or other audio from it, you can do this directly from your web browser. First, open any browser on your computer. For this tutorial, I'm going to use Google Chrome. Go to Google and search for Cloud Convert Video to MP3. Open the Cloud Convert converter from the search results. Once the website opens, click Select File. Find the video you want to extract the audio from and select it. Wait for your video to upload. Next, make sure the output format is set to MP3. If you want a different audio format, you can also choose another available option such as WAV. Once everything is ready, click Convert. Cloud Convert will now process your video and extract the audio from it. The time this takes will depend on the size and length of your video. Once the conversion is finished, click Download. The extracted audio file will now be saved to your computer. You can usually find it inside your Downloads folder. You now have the audio from your video saved as a separate file, and you can use it in another editing project, listen to it by itself, or transfer it to another device. And that's how to extract audio from a video online. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to How To with Sunny for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.